Watcher, beautiful Sunday here in Hertfordshire. Just got back from South London where I picked up a Proxxon scroll saw. I won this on eBay last night for £62.62. I think it's a fairly good value. It's second hand obviously, and they retail normally for about £200 to £250, something of that order. So let's have a little look at it, give it a test run and get some initial thoughts. So here it is. So it's made by Proxxon and the model number is D5433. It's pretty well made. A metal table, which if you unscrew here, you can rotate up to 45 degrees with a incremental guide there to see how many degrees you want. You can use blades with the nibs on the end or plain blades. It's got a detachable hose here which feeds down to this point here, so it blows the air away from your work area, which is pretty handy. Doesn't have a light, that's the downside. This is the tension adjustment knob. This section here and the base is cast iron, I believe. This is obviously plastic here, and the motor at the back. It's got instructions, but as I don't speak German, it's not a lot of good to me. This section here, we have the on switch, off, push down for speed 1, push up for speed 2. I did have a quick try with a 12-volt inverter in the chap that sold me its back of his car, and it did seem to work okay. As always, there's a risk when you buy these things on eBay, but let's take it for a test drive. I've got some standard squares cut out to be cut out of this MDF section here. Let's try these on speed 1, speed 2 and see how we get on. Right, so we're on speed 1. We'll turn it on. First things first, we've got our safety goggles on. Let's give it a go. Well, the air hose is doing a great job of blowing the sawdust away. A lot better job than I'm doing of delivering this straight, I would say. I'll have to make up some sort of fence to run this along just to make sure I'm delivering it straight when I want to. Now that's not bad for speed 1. A little bit slow. Let's turn the speed up. This is going to get a little bit noisier. We'll give this a go. Terrible job at keeping it straight because I'm working sideways. Oh my goodness! But it's a lot quicker. Let's try setting the machine up properly, shall we? Now I've moved the air hose back a bit and I've set it up so I'm actually looking down the blade. So hopefully this will be a little bit straighter. The air hose is doing a great job of blowing the dust away from the immediate work area. I'm impressed with that, even though it's not very powerful. Do you know what? For £62.62, I'm pretty happy with that. And it comes with a selection of additional blades as well. So, first impressions of the Proxxon D54343 are pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. Seemed to work pretty well. And for £62, you can't grumble. I'm not going to use it for heavy duty stuff. That's probably about the thickest I'm going to use it for. A little bit of MDF. Probably going to use it for thinner bits and pieces. I don't know, some sort of crafty type stuff, with the odd application for building works projects until I can get a bandsaw, that is. But I'm pretty happy. So you can get some good deals on eBay. £62 for that. I had to travel a little bit to get it, 45 minutes. Certainly a lot better than buying one brand new. Cheers then. See you soon. See ya.